Guys, for today's video, tayo ay maglalaro ng Minecraft. Sasan tayo. Full volume nga. Full volume. Ayoko makabutan ako dito ng dwellers. Ano ba't bumabagal na naman to? Bilisan mo. Yan. Guys, kaya maglalaro ulit. What the fuck? Show yourself. No, bro, no. Stay away from me. You're stupid. These niggers. Just show yourself. Mama mo, show yourself. Ha? Mga putan. Guys, hotel sa tubig. Hindi. SCP. Guys, takot sila sa tubig. Hindi, magsilbas kayo mga couple kayo. Guys, takot sila itong mga to sa tubig eh. Ayan, may village. Patayin ko ba yung iron golem? Kasi one time pinatay ako ng kuha. Huwag natin patayan. Ito lang. At ko, isa ka pa. Oo. Diba namang luto lang kakwento ko. Joke lang. Okay, sali ka. Baka lobot ka yun. Mag-ano ka, plastic ka ng kamay. By the way guys, may sakit si Pikachu PH. Yung okay, labas. Ay, si Kupal. Sana isang ka, lumabas ka. Itim mo. Ilang percent? Ha? Ayun o. Ano? SCP. Hindi, skill, ano siya, dweller. Yun. Ayan siya. Basic naman pati ng mga pin. Natatakot. SCP ko. Sa mahina. Like yan. Never mind. Ang dami, pre. O tayo, pre. Oh, shit. Hardcore kasi to. It's a hardcore. Hardcore to guys, hardcore by the way, hardcore. Hoy, villager. Ikaw, totoo ka bang tao? Pre, atakin niya to. Ako na lang, oy! Ba? Mabas pa. Ano kasi ito eh. Nakatakas kasi ito eh. Kaya, apakalakas ko talaga streamer. Na. Oh, you know. Wala ka pa, nag-join ka na? Papatay ko, Dweller o SCP. Ang dami kasi nila guys. Hindi sure ito pa. Giant download and join. Bilis ka dito ha. Sino to? Wala akong balag ha. Sila, patay ko na. Mas wala na akong bala. Wow, sana all chismis. May tao! Uy, si Betlog, nagbabalik si Betlog. Guys, nagbabalik si Betlog. Tara, mastay natin. Hoy, Betlog! Betlog, umalis ka dito, Betlog. Hindi ka safe dito. Maraming SCP dito, Betlog. Si Betlog. Betlog, matulog ka. Layo. Layo ka, Betlog. Sige, Betlog. Gusto mo pagkain? Who's that? Ayun guys, yun yung pinaka-nakatakot ko SCP. May rooftop to.
It's just somebody else. Who the hell is that? It's just somebody else.
Who the hell is that?
It's just somebody else. Show yourself.
Who the hell is that?
What the hell are
Who the hell is
you?
that?
Show yourself.
Bro, what the
Show yourself.
Who the hell is that?
Oh, thank God. It's just somebody else.
Who the hell is that? Who the hell is that?
kulit mo?
What the
Show
hell
yourself.
are you?
Show yourself. Show yourself.
Sino to?
Who the hell is that?
Joke lang.
Show yourself.
It's
Nandito
just
ako.
somebody else. Who the hell is that? It's just somebody else.
Show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself.
It's just somebody else. Just somebody else.
Show yourself.
Thank God.
Who the hell is that? Who the hell is that? Who the hell is that? Who the hell is that?
Oy, si
Thank
Beck
God.
namatay.
It's just somebody else.
Oy, no.
Who the hell is that?
Oh my God, bro.
It's just somebody else.
Ano lang tayo?
Who the hell is that?
Guys, huwag ka muna mag-ano dito.
Show yourself. Who the hell is that? Who the hell is that? What the hell? Show yourself. Who the hell is that?
Who says if he can't die? Oy, ang okay.
Show yourself.
Ha! Di makapasok.
Oh, thank God. It's just somebody else.
Show yourself. Show yourself. This. Who the hell is that?
Wala naman silang ultrahin.
Oh, thank God.
No! So okay guys, yan na nagtatapos ang Man from the Fog. Ba? Namatay tayo. Thank you for watching. Magbigay na lang kayo ng isang like dyan. Okay? Thank you.